Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a October vlog with highlights of my month. So the first clip that you're seeing is when we got buy one get one free donuts at Krispy Kreme. The next clip you're seeing is cupcakes that we got for my Poppy's birthday. And then the next clips are from my mom's friend's party, and we had so much fun. And the food was so cute. A huge highlight from this month has been seeing all the beautiful fall leaves and going on walks. I just captured some leaves on one of our walks. And another clip that you're going to see is another one of my favorites that I forgot to put in my favorites video. It's my little Dunkin' Donut spider donut keychain. And the next clip is me packing for going to the camper for the last time. So I spot cleaned the bunnies, and I'll give them a full clean when I get back. Hi. Hello. I fed the rabbits, gave Chloe her medicine, went to bed. Then the next day we got to the camper after church and we tried the pumpkin spice frosty, and it was yummy. Chloe! Hi! So I decided to do a little fall photo shoot since it looked all pretty up at the camper, and I had some fun with Chloe, took some pictures of myself and her, and we just enjoyed nature. We also went on a walk and just was enjoying all the beauty around us because fall at the lake is just so beautiful. It was only a night trip, but it was so fun. I didn't film a whole lot because we were trying to get stuff ready for winter time. These leaves and all of the lake is just so pretty, and I'm glad we got to have one more time at the camper before it's too cold. Hi babies. Hi little babies. Hi baby. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Meow. You're just so cute. Oh my goodness. We watched 2 movies outside on the big screen. It was so fun. Good morning, guys. The next morning, I just did my morning routine, which basically my routine is taking my medicine, giving Chloe her medicine, packing, all of that, making sure the camper's clean, all of that stuff we have to do. And this is what it was looking like. I'm so sad camping season's over, but we had fun. I let Chloe walk. Morning guys, we're about to leave the camper. This day I didn't get to do my quiet time before we left, so when Mom went in Dollar Tree, I got my prayer Bible out. And then we went to a few stores, and somebody was so sweet, gave us a crumble cookie. And then we went to Mardale Christian Bookstore for the first time. It is so cool. I could have stayed in there all day, and there was so much to film, but I love it, and I'll have to go back next time we're closer up that way. But I really do love that store. And I didn't film hardly anything the rest of the day. I had to cook food, and we got Scooter's coffee, a pumpkin spice latte. It was so good. And then you're seeing me get ready for Halloween, and we went to my Nana's house and we had so much fun. And we went to Krispy Kreme and got our free donuts for dressing up. And then I took some cute photos, and here's some photos from the night. Webs, dude.
Okay,
do it. Yeah, you can see. Shoot your webs, dude. And perfect. And that is all of my October. I'll end this vlog with some photos from the photo shoot from the camper of me and Chloe. I enjoyed this month. It went by so fast. I can't believe it is almost Thanksgiving and Christmas time. It is blowing my mind how fast this year has gone by. But I hope you guys made some beautiful memories with people that you loved. And I hope you had a blessed October. And I will see you, Lord willing, in another video soon. Love you guys. Bye.